This is the little portable countertop photography light, and it has a little tripod that pops out of the bottom here. Let's see if I can get that to come out of there. Oops. And then it's got the little light here, you can see there. See if I can, oh, there we go. Is that coming there? It's trying to come out. Of course, that's, there we go. Just pull on that there. Anyway, so we got the little light on a stand. It's got the LEDs in there. You can see it plugs into the power. Got the little power cord there. This is nice for just your little tabletop, countertop lighting that you need to do. And it comes with these little light diffusers that go around. There's actually 2 in my set, but I only have the one right here. But this is the little light diffuser that goes with it. It's just a little light, a little box that goes around the light to just diffuse the light so it's not so concentrated and stuff. And it goes like a little box around the light there and stuff. But anyway, it's really cool and we like it a lot. And this one here, you can see it's still all tied up. We haven't even used this one yet, but we've used the other one and we like it. So highly recommend. Good stuff.